Hi, I'm Joe Finari. I have an MBA in finance and have been investing since the 1990s. Early in my personal investing experience, I applied the asset allocation strategy of investing, which is simply balancing your portfolio for size and growth. I conducted research and outlined stocks in many industries. I conducted fundamental analysis to screen stocks. Over the years, I also conducted extensive technical analysis on patterns and market timing. Technical analysis is analyzing past price patterns to make an inference on future performance. I'm an engineer by trade with a passion for data science and analysis. In fact, I'd call myself a data scientist. In the last 10 years, the world has changed relative to data science. The tools we have available to chart stocks and look at trends have become so much more sophisticated with interactive stock charts. We have the ability to gather data, enter it into an Excel file, and then rearrange that data to find new opportunities. I wondered, are there any stock patterns or trends that have a high correlation to predict future performance? I went on a mission analyzing chart pattern on 50 years of stocks from 1970 through 2020. I applied calculus, probability statistics, and an engineering tool called design of experiments to find if there were patterns or a combination of patterns that had a high correlation to predict the future. What did I find? Patterns that predict. More importantly, I found patterns that predict consistently over time across stocks of many capitalization or any industry. I arranged these predicted patterns into the Ludicrous return stock model. This model is not a day trading system. It's predicated on collecting data after market close so you can keep your day job. The vision of the model to earn significantly higher returns than the market over the long term. I wanted a tool that could objectively advise when to buy and when to sell and take the feeling and emotions out of the buy and sell decisions. To prove model performance over the long term, I conducted a simulation test for all calendar years from 2007 through 2020. The model was applied to screen 500 to 750 stocks each year and objectively advise the best of the best stocks, the top 15%, and then when to buy and or when to sell based on simple rules. What were the results? Now, one important note before I share these results is past performance of the models presented here does not guarantee future results.
The stock model generated an average of 44.5% for all years 2007 to 2020. Using the simulation test, the model grew a $10,000 investment at the beginning of '07 to $1.476 million by the end of 2020. That's nearly 148 times the original investment, significantly larger than the average 11.1% of the S&P 500 buy and hold strategy, where the 10K only grew to 35,000. The S&P 500 annual returns were calculated using the capital and dividend yield from Slick Charts updated August 6, 2023. The Ludicrous stock model was developed to screen for the best of the best stocks to buy and hold, screen for stocks to stay away from, identify exactly when to buy the best of the best stock, and identify when to sell. This is not a day trading system, so you could use this model and keep your day job. The process involves charting stocks once per week and some selected stocks daily after market close. Looking to significantly improve your rate of return? Want to learn how to apply the Ludicrous stock model for your own investments? Introducing the stock model training video package, available for download on ludicrousreturns.com. In this package, you will learn the stock model magic formula and the process, how to apply the model, including step-by-step live instruction and examples, how to chart stocks using the model logic, how to buy and sell using the model rules. You will learn how to build a stock list and screen for the best of the best stocks, identify stocks to stay away from, and enter stop sell prices based on model output. You'll never view stocks the same again. Want to practice and build your skill using the Ludicrous stock model? Download the 2007 to 2020 test simulation output spreadsheets available on ludicrousreturns.com. I do not know of any other investment systems that provide data to show their systems work and provide all the supporting evidence. Perhaps you want to see for yourself a demonstrated path of seeing stocks screened, bought, and sold using the model. These spread simulation sheets include all model selections, buy dates, and sell rule apply. All stocks rejected by the model and why. How the returns were calculated in detail, and as an added bonus, a cash flow template that you can use to optimize investment amount per stock for a given portfolio size. You can use this data as a library to practice charting stock examples from 2007 to 2020 to build up your skill to buy and sell to the model. You'll never view stocks the same again. The market timing model works by optimizing between S&P 500 equity index and cash position. From 1970 to 2021, the timing model grew wealth 4.8 times versus buy and hold for the same index. It grew a $10,000 investment to $11.2 million. Looking at a shorter, more modern period, from 2000 to 2021, the model grew wealth 2.6 times versus buy and hold. How does the model outperform buy and hold so much? By cashing out of the market before a big downturn and getting back into equities at a great time. On Black Monday, October 19th, 1987, the S&P 500 index lost 28% in one day. The market timing model cashed out of the index on September 4th, 1987, and back into the market on November 2nd, 1987. You want to learn how to apply the market timing model for your own investments. If so, here's your opportunity. I have a market timing model training video available for download on ludicrousreturns.com. This includes sharing the market timing model's secret formula and all the logic. It includes walking you through understanding the market timing process, including the 7 stages of market timing status. You will get live step-by-step instructions on how to use the market timing model with illustrative examples. Training videos will show when to sell equities, when to move into cash, when to buy back into equities, and including the buyback evaluation process. You'll get to see the process flow of how this entire model works, including all the sells, the buys prevented, and the buybacks to help you build your own skill to successfully apply the market timing model to your own investments. If you are looking to practice your skill, you can also download the output spreadsheets, which includes the entire 52-year test period from 1970 to 2021, available for download on ludicrousreturns.com. This includes all the buy and sell timing transactions, including the prices that added up to the model wealth accumulation charts that you saw. You can use this data to practice your own timing application of market buys and sells and build your skill. Want to learn more how to apply the stock or market timing models? Read the book, Ludicrous Returns versus the Market. In this book, you'll learn how to build a stock list, how to find the next big thing stock with customized research, my proprietary formula on using insider trading to find stocks, how to apply the stock model, use it as a screener to identify the best of the best stocks and the stocks to avoid. You'll be able to identify a great time to buy or sell stock and how to time the market with the market timing model. This book includes lots of illustrative examples. You'll never view stocks the same again. Perhaps reading this book and learning these models will help you earn ludicrous returns in your own investments.